Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a deep dive into project management and I'm going to take you inside my system we use on a major industrial project for Sinopec at the Rias NGL fractionation facility. We'll be working with a daily inspection log in Excel and the SQMS web application site quality management system web application. First, let's start with our daily inspection log right here in Excel. As you can see, this whole spreadsheet is our ground zero for quality control. We're looking at the data for package 2. This is we meticulously track every activity from pre-welding and weld joint pit-ups inspection to welding consumable control. You can see the different disciplines like here mechanical and piping, and for each item we have unique identifiers like SATIP and psych codes which are essential for our records, and as you can see, the location, elements, RFI descriptions, date, time, so and all the essentials, signatures, subcontractor per ID and PMT, and all the things. I can make a log. Now let's move from our Excel sheet to a digital platform. There is a SQMS tool. I'm going to open up my browser and go to the TR identity login portal. This is our secure gateway to the system. I'll go ahead and enter my credential. As you can see, I'm using an email from sinopec.com to log in and click sign in. Once we are in, we land on the SQMS homepage. On the left here, you'll see a navigation menu. I'm going to click on open RFIs to get to our main RFI list. This page shows us all the existing requests for inspection on the project now. The main task today is to create a new RFI based on our daily log. So to do that, I'm going to click on the button right there. This brings up the new RFI form. Now this is where we will use the data from Excel sheet or all here. So from the SATIP number, I'll copy the value from our spreadsheet and paste it right here. All the mandatory fields in the SQMS2, I will copy all the value from the spreadsheet of discipline, of elements, of SATIP number, of ITP items, main discipline, other disciplines. So after fill from log, we can continue. So one by one, I will copy activity here, 3.6 pre-welding. Scroll right. Now I'm gonna copy the main discipline. There are many main disciplines like mechanical, so here's the one, is a mechanical. Pre-welding, and here mechanical, and then continue. Here's the inspection types. So we can copy all the types here. We already filled in a log, in a RFI master log, so we can copy from up there. Yeah. So I'll copy and paste all the details of inspection from our log, ensuring everything is transferred accurately. So we fill out the remaining field with the required information. So once we are done, then we will hit submit. So look at the video. As practical, I can show you all. Even the inspector names, subcontractor, contractor. The company, we will copy the PMT, project management. Who's the PMT? Mr. Badir Al. What is his name? Okay, there is Mindu. Mr. Mindu. In inspection information, you have to select the information date, the starting time. You can give a starting time. Set a time, start time, and duration. Duration, you will always select the hours, not days, in duration. And location, so you can also copy the location here from a log. It's an opaque fabrication shop. Site. Assembly point is a Sanopac 4 fabrication shop. And you can skip the area. Batch index, select the batch index number, ID, and SQMS. There is already, like the setup from a main contractor. So mostly the things are coming if we drop down the button of every mandatory field. Package 2, select the package 2, and the last one is a scope of inspection. So scope of inspection, we can create. So we can create from Excel sheet, as you can see now. Create on press on create new inspection manually, and here you can copy the elements to be inspected. Like here is a pipe joint. QC form and ATP. Cycle number. In QC form, you can choose a cycle number, and ITP items you can choose the sort of activity, and you can paste it automatically. It will grab the data. You can select, and the description, you can select the description from a log, like pre-welding and weld joint fit-up inspection, and copy the scope of inspection along with. So you can also see the attachment is already here. And once you can appropriate all the mandatory field in a tool, then you make sure, then you hit the submit button. So it will goes. You can confirm, and it will goes in a dashboard, in a home page, RFI home page. There it's mentioned the RFIs on pending, and you can copy the subcontractor file numbers as well in a log also to maintain the master RFI logs. So this is actually all of the activity I'm showing here is how to open RFIs before 24 hours. So all the procedures, and that's it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.